Hello everyone, my name is Diah Ayu Ratmanjani and I'm studying in the Reading for General Purposes course. So today I want to presenting a novel titled The Old Man and the Sea. This novel is written by Ernest Hemingway, published in 1952, and he won 1955 Nobel Prize in Literature. I choose this novel because the story is simple and contains powerful life lessons about perseverance. Overall, my impression of this book is thumbs up. This story takes place in small fishing village in Cuba and mostly at the sea. The main characters are Santiago, Manoline, and the Marlin. Santiago is an old fisherman, and Manoline is a young boy who admires and helps Santiago. And the marlin is a giant fish. At the beginning, Santiago has gone for 84 days fishing without catching a fish, and the villager believe he is unlucky, and Manoline's parents is forced him to fish with another boat. In the middle of the story, Santiago sails out to the sea and manages to catch a giant marlin. He struggled for 3 days and 3 nights to pull the fish ashore. The struggle becomes both physical and emotional battle. And the climax occurs when Santiago finally manages to defeat the marlin and tie it to his boat. However, the shark smells the blood and begins attacking the marlin as he sails home. In the resolution, the shark devoured the marlin, leaving only skeleton. Santiago returns exhausted but not defeated. Despite losing the fish, he earned respect and proven his strength. And then character analysis. I choose Santiago. Basically, Santiago is old, thin, and scared, indicating a life with hard work. Personally, he is persistent, patient, and humble. His internal conflict is his fear of being weak or useless due to old age. His external conflict is his battle with nature, like the marlin, the sea, and the shark. How they change from beginning to the end is, at first, Santiago is seen unlucky and weak, but at the end, even though he loses the fish, he proves his strength and dignity. What is character represent or symbolize? Santiago symbolizes human preferences and honor. What is character represents or symbolize? Santiago never give up and dignity in struggle. My personal opinion of this character is Santiago is inspiring character. I admire Santiago because he never give up even when no one believes him. There is a quote from Santiago in page 114 and 128. But man is not made for defeat. A man can be destroyed but not defeated. And I'll fight them until I die. How does the author develop this theme throughout the story? Hemingway develops this theme throughout Santiago's long painful battle at sea. Even when he is injured, tired, alone, but he continues fighting. The author teaches the readers that success is not measured by result, but effort and courage. How is this theme relevant to real life or today's world? Because many people face academic pressure, job stress, and social comparison through social media. Like Santiago, people may fail, but does not mean they are defeated. And then, do you agree with the author message? Why and why not? I agree with the author message because it reminds us that failure does not define our worth. I am tired, my hands are broken, and my body is weak. But I did not give up. I'm not defeated. And then personal evaluation and recommendation. What I like most is this novel is have deep message and symbolism. What could be improved? I think this novel is slow pacing, which make feel repetitive for some readers. And then book rating, I read this book 8 out of 10 because it has strong message and even though the story is simple. And then recommendation, I would recommend this book to readers who enjoy philosophical stories, but I would not recommend to readers who prefer fast-paced novel who likes lots of plot. The most important takeaway is that true strength comes from perseverance and dignity, even in failure. Would I read more by this author? I think yes, I would read more books for Ernest Hemingway because his writing is simple but meaningful. Okay, in conclusion, The Old Man and the Sea is a novel that teaches us how to face failure with courage. So that's all. Thank you for listening me and bye bye.